Hi scooters, today we are unboxing Morek EV portable charger, also known as EFC adapter, and this one is a maximum 11 kilowatts from 3-phase. So let's see what's in the box. Inside the carton box we have a bag. In this bag we have an adapter, and inside the bag we have the adapter. The bag is quite easy to use to store it and also to take it with you. On the adapter we have 5 meter charging cable. We have type 2 plug with a protective cap, and this one can be charged, powered up from 3-phase 16 amps red socket. The adapter itself, it's with the adjustable button, so that means even though it's 11 kilowatt in maximum, you can actually use it also from 6 amps, which is minimum on the EV charging, and between those 6 amps and 11 amps you just need to push the button itself. On the back of the adapter there is a manual from where you can understand what's going on, how to use it, and also how to store it. While this adapter is charged by 3-phase, I'm pretty sure that you will also need some possibilities to charge your car from 1-phase while you are on the go. So that means you will also need another product, and with this another product it's quite easy and simple to just make your 3-phase adapter to a 1-phase adapter, which will give you opportunity to use this adapter from 3.6 kilowatts up to 11 kilowatts. So easy, mobile, light, and thumbs up, good.